Hey, animal adventurers! Have you ever imagined what it would feel like to touch living silk? Meet the scaleless ball python, one of the smoothest, most mesmerizing reptiles on our planet. These snakes are so unique, they seem like they belong in a fairy tale, not our world. Most people think snakes have to have scales, like no scales, no snake, right? But the scaleless ball python breaks all those rules. Instead of rough scales, their skin feels soft and silky, almost unreal. But don't worry, they're still just as healthy and active as their scaly cousins. Ball pythons, whether scaled or scaleless, love to curl into tight balls when they're scared, a super cool defense move. And even without scales, these magical snakes can hunt like champs, using their heat-sensing pits to find prey in the dark. How awesome is that? In the wild grasslands of West Africa, pythons are symbols of wisdom and transformation. And in pet homes, scaleless ball pythons are becoming famous for their gentle, dog-like personalities. With a little extra care, think perfect humidity and gentle handling, they make amazing animal ambassadors for kids and families. They teach us that being different is something to celebrate, not fear. Every scaleless python is living proof that nature loves surprises. So the next time you see a snake, remember, smooth, scaly, or somewhere in between, they're all part of nature's wild imagination. Want more animal adventures? Subscribe to Fun Animals for Kids, and I'll see you on the next wild discovery.